Hi friends, I'm Laurie with Laurie and Tamila, discovering Raleigh, North Carolina and beyond. Today I'm going to take a ride on the Neuse River Trail and I'm hoping that you will join me. I have sped up the video a little bit and I've added a little amusement to the video also. So please watch it to the end and please subscribe, as Tamila and I will have many videos out in the future. So thank you and come along.
Okay, so I've got my bike on the back of my car. You can see it is called a Giant. 5 degrees outside. Feels like it's about 85 degrees in here. No wonder I didn't have my air conditioning on. Okay, so we're here at the Neuse River Trail. Restrictions here and a map of the trail. This is where I'll get on. The Neuse River is across the trail from here. And this is the parking area. It's a very small parking area. I'm surprised that we were able to get a parking spot, but I guess because it's Wednesday, middle of the afternoon, quite hot, there's not a lot of people that maybe want to park and go bike riding. Okay, viewers, I had to stop, get some water. I just swallowed a bug. It feels like it's stuck in my throat. To avoid this, I suggest everyone ride their bikes with their mouth closed. I tend to be a mouth breather when I'm out here on the trail, and not a good idea. Okay, let me get some water and let's get going. You can see that this is a really beautiful trail. The Neuse River Trail runs about 33 miles from the Falls of Neuse Dam at Falls Lake, northern Raleigh, Wake Forest area, and it runs down to Clayton, North Carolina. Round trip could be done in a day if you're in better shape than I am. It would be about 66 miles. I've often thought about doing it, but haven't been able to find someone who can ride at my slow pace and willing to do the whole 66 miles. We now have some deer here in the forest. I'm going to stop and see if I can show them to you. How many do you see? Okay, so we've got 3 deer in the woods here. I see 2. Oh, I see that one. Okay. They don't have spots, but they look pretty small. so we just had someone pass on our left, and it's customary to let the person in front of you know where you're passing on. Are you passing on the left? Are you passing on the right? Here's another deer. Looks like more. Well, we're gonna let them eat. It's probably best to just pass the deer and leave them alone and just enjoy the sights. But since I want you to see the full beauty of the trail, I wanted to stop and see if I could capture the beautiful deer here in North Carolina. We are heading towards Falls Lake, but we are going to turn around today because it's so warm.